War zone.
Peters gets the win. Here's that fight for that final transfer spot. Bomber trying to gas it up. They're going to come to the line. Bomber maybe with an edge. It's going to go to Bomber as they both just let it all fly. Wow, what a great finish in that last chance qualifier.
Let's take a look at this. It's a drag race upshift through the whoops and the ruts as fast as you can go to the finish line. Hey, visually, to me, it looked like Zimmer had just a little. Watch as they cross the line here. Oh, it's pretty close.
Again, we're looking at the wrong angle. You got to remember too where the
look at Zimmer. He sent it
to the whole shot line.
Here's a better angle, and from there you can see it looks like Bomber.